that and you have a specific query, then do get back to me. But do remember, God helps only those who help themselves, and the same applies for careers and career counselors. We move on now to Arpit, who wants to know whether it's a good idea to study at IMT Dubai.
I've got admission in IMT Dubai for an MBA. However, I need to take an educational loan for the heavy duty fee. Since this institute is new, should I go ahead and invest in this MBA program? Arpit Hera.
Arpit, so far it was easy to decide on whether to do an MBA from a particular institute or not, because you'd look at the placement and say, okay, I'm going to invest this much money and 2 years later this is the return. However, things are changing and now you have to look at the basic value that the institute imparts to you in terms of knowledge and brand. I think IMT is a strong brand because it has a heritage of IMT Ghaziabad, and IMT Dubai will be valued in the Middle East. But whether you'll be immediately able to recover your investment in the course or not, I can't say. Nobody can predict what the world will look like 2 years from now. But I do think fundamentally, if you want a career in the Middle East, in the management field, it may be a good choice for you. That's all we have time for this week. Keep the queries coming in. See you next week.
You can send in your questions for Rashmi as well. Just log on to the Cracking Careers page on utvi.com and post your question, or you can SMS us as well. Simply type in career followed by your name, your city and your question. Send it to us on 59995. We're taking a small break on the show. When we come back, we'll talk about an entrepreneur who takes out different kinds of meanings from your handwriting. We'll also tell you about a website that tells students about all kinds of scholarships.
Before you make your first move in the day's trade, we take you around the world in 30 minutes to give you the global edge. Market Watch in association with the new Innova, all you desire, at these times only on UTVI.
This program is sponsored by IBM. Let's build a smarter planet.
डॉक्टर ने कहा कि ऐसा केस उन्होंने पहले कभी नहीं देखा।
पागल हो गया है।
कितना क्रेजी साउंड करता है। What the hell is going on?
मैं यकीन नहीं होगा।
जब जय छोटा था तब उसे ऐसे ही दौरे आते थे। It's not normal.
मैं तस्वीर के जरिए वहाँ गया था।
Fundopedia, coming soon on UTVI.
Regular writing indicates an individual who is orderly, balanced, disciplined and of course has a lot of self-control. Well, that's why I'm suddenly so interested in graphology. We've just met up with an entrepreneur who actually takes out a lot of meanings from what you write. And interestingly, such services are used by corporates who want to know the mental makeup of their prospective employees.
Words can mean many things, and the way you write them even more. Your simple scribble can tell someone what your personality is about and how you react in different situations. Reading and understanding handwriting is an art being used to run a business by this young entrepreneur. A graphologist by profession, Chandra Prabha has the skill of reading you like a book as she reads what you've written. Personality, relationships, thinking process, she can figure you out and you'd not even know.
The more I read about it, I realized US, UK, countries like that have been researching on graphology for 2000 years. And it started with Aristotle and just growing from that time. So then we got to know more about it. Then I really figured out on internet and got some courses, applied for it, just completed my certification.
Chandra Prabha now runs CGS or Chandra Prabha Graphology Services in Mumbai, offering her expertise to individuals, corporate clients and celebrities too.
Every time I went for any meeting where I wanted to convince people on this subject or I can do it, the best way is I got them to write and analyze themselves. So then people got convinced very easily.
Corporate clients use Chandra Prabha services to figure out prospective employees. Companies like IBM, Cafe Coffee Day and Ispat have utilized graphology to make better decisions.
A couple of years back, we come across. We met Chandraprabha, and she has analyzed certain handwritings and signatures of some of our people, and we realized that her analysis was bang on.
Chandraprabha had started out her business 5 years ago with 20 lakh rupees spent mostly on advertising to popularize the art of graphology and how it can help people. The idea is to take her business to the next level now.
5 years down the line, I really wish to have some more graphologists on my board, the people who get trained in a particular manner, and we become a service provider for corporates. Right now I'm teaching HR people to use graphology in their recruitment processes.
If you're interested in graphology too, you can learn the art at institutes like Institute of Graphology in Pune, the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Graphology in Kerala, and the Institute of Graphology and Personal Success in Pune. You could even go online and look up home study courses for graphology.
I see your handwriting says that you are a lunar person.
Who would have thought that it will take reading between the lines for a spectacular career?
Pretty niche career to pursue, but does work for me as a hobby. Moving on now, let's talk about scholarshipsindia.com. This website will tell you about scholarships and also fellowships in India and abroad. It will also help you crack those essays you need to write to secure a scholarship.
Whether you're looking for the right career or looking to upgrade your skills with a specialized course, getting a scholarship is no longer a hard task. Look up scholarshipsindia.com for all information related to scholarships in India and abroad. But that's not all. The site is also a good resource if you need to find out about a particular course and which institute provides it. You can also look up international fellowships, scholarships in the UK, do's and don'ts, as well as experts' advice on getting the right aid. If you need any help in writing the essays needed for most applications, there's a link that guides you on tips and tricks to handle the toughest of essays. From IELTS to UPSC to IITs and IIMs, scholarshipsindia.com is a great point to start looking for the answers to your career questions.